What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm just gonna be riding, just cruising around. Yeah. I got a new GoPro camera, and I've been wanting to try it out. You guys can let me know how it looks in the comment section. And if anybody was wondering what it was a GoPro Hero 8 Black. When I used to record videos for my helmet, I had a GoPro Hero 5 Black. But now I got a GoPro Hero 8. Use it out, make sure it works and stuff, or I like go to parks and stuff when they mess up on me. But yeah, you see my bike right there. Finna just ride around. Probably hit a little mud, but not much for real. Just wanted to try out my new camera. My brother's phone, my truck. Looking good. But yeah, I'm gonna try out my new camera. And yeah, making a little video. Testing it out. Let me hop on the GoPro camera. Okay guys, I'm on the GoPro cam. I'm filming in 4K, 60 frames per second. I'm about to go just drive down the road, test it out. Hit a couple little mud holes and this, that. Just test it out. My battery is tripping on my 4-wheel. See? See it not catching fire. I don't know what's going on with it. That's another thing. I don't know what's going on with this bike. It's been showing up the battery code a couple times. I believe, see, there it is right there, if you guys can see, hopefully, because it's raining out. Hopefully you guys can see the battery code right there. I believe L01 1006 1007. I don't know if the battery has low voltage or what, but it's been doing that a lot. I need to go get it checked out. I believe we need a full service on the startup. Still doing it. Ain't catching fire. Might have to put it on the jump box or jump it off and see what it does. I don't know. It's been tripping. Let's see what. Still not starting up. Well guys, it's acting weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. I guess we're gonna be riding my brother's on today. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I guess we just gonna hop on my brother on today. Yeah, you gotta know he got the same 4-wheel I got. He was running fine. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with mine besides that done battery. It's making me mad. It's been raining too, guys. We down south, but that hurricane, whatever it called, I don't know. But yeah, hurricane hit Louisiana. But we down south, we been getting a lot of rain from that hurricane. And yeah, I know he'll start up. Start up fine. But yeah, we just gonna ride his 4-wheeler today. I don't know what I'm gonna do about mine. I'll figure it out. So might have to hook the tire tail up to my 4-wheel and pull it back on the trailer. Probably. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that 4-wheel. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think I should. What you think my next 4-wheel should be. I don't know yet. I'm debating. I want a Renegade, Can-Am Renegade. I don't know though. I'm just debating right now. And let me know how you guys like the camera quality. A lot of thick mud down this way. A lot of big ruts too. Down here in this ditch. I'm riding on top of the rut because that's a deep rut. He already got stuck in this once. I believe once before he got stuck in this, but I'm about to hit it. I'm just come straight down and hit it and come on up the hill. Hopefully he makes it. If he don't, just have to pull him out. We will see. Locking in four-wheel drive, just gonna send it. Okay, guys, back to what I was saying. Go down here and hit a couple of little mud spots. That's probably gonna be the end of this video. I'm sad that 850 didn't start. A little mud spot right here. Hopefully I don't see a snake. Look at it up there. I'm sad that it won't start. That hurt my feelings. I stepped on the seat. It'll be alright. Younger, I used to always think only boy cows can have horns. When I got older, I realized that boy cows and girl cows can have horns. Can't bust a quick donut, 2 done. that drain is clogged. Yeah, it gotta be clogged because water just sits off in here. I believe that's as deep as it gets. I believe. Whew, I thought it was a snake. I'll keep it. I had fun today. You guys, let me know how the camera looks. Cause again, I'm filming in 4K. This is my first time ever trying filming in 4K. I used to just film in 1080p. It did pretty good today. I don't know what's wrong with mine. Let me try it again, see what it crank on. Probably not. Probably gonna have to take it to my local dealer and see what they say. Okay. Still not getting fire. That's a shame. Well, I should. This is gonna be the end of this video, guys. 850 won't start. Well, most likely because the battery did, or the battery doesn't have enough voltage to start it. Only thing I got hooked up to the battery besides the stock stuff on that one is a winch and a light bar. And my big gun program, I believe that's too much for it. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think I should do. Been a good bike for a year and a half, because I bought it last year. We bought it last year in April. Been through all the ups and downs, big lifts, small lifts, everything. I plan on putting 32s on. Make sure you guys like, comment with all the questions I asked you guys, and subscribe down below. You will know if you're not subscribed because it will be red. When you subscribe, it will be gray. Make sure you subscribe down below. Once you subscribe, it will turn from red to gray. So make sure you guys did that. And yeah, I think it's the end of this. On to a new project. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.